Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Thomas discussion. Today, we're going to be discussing, let's just bring it slowly in, the battery-powered jet engine with Thomas. Now, I first found out about the episode Thomas and the Jet Engine when I was reading a book. It was the story. Not like the storybook, but like the book called Cgiben the Red Balloon. And Thomas and the Jet Engine was one of the stories, and I had never heard about it until then. And well, the title, unfortunately, was an error saying Thomas the Jet Engine, not Thomas and the Jet Engine. And I was like, what is a jet engine? And then when I found the DVD Thomas and the Jet Engine at a Target, I was very happy to get it because, well, I was just excited for the episode. Oh, and a little error I made. One of the episodes on the Thomas and the Jet Engine DVD is called Bulgy Writes Again. But I think I might have made a mistake because I called the episode Bulgy Writes Up. So yeah, that was quite an error. But anyways, let's just get on with the discussion. The Thomas has seen a little bit of better days because one of the eyebrows is missing. He's got no stripes. I don't know why. His Thomas on the bottom. Now let's move on to the jet engine. It says jet engine on the bottom right there. Like right here where the light is shining on it. This front coupling part can move around to make it around tight turns. Now this back part here is a bit broken because it's supposed to light up when you push it. But then this back thing right here is broken. And it's got buffers and no back magnet. And it says Danger Jet Blast. Now, let me just get the character card for this. This could take a second. Still trying to find it. I'm going through all my character cards to look for it. Here it is. So here's the character card. And it says on the back, Thomas has always wanted to be as fast as Gordon, the fastest engine on the island. He gets his wish when he picks up a jet engine, which Cranky accidentally turns on behind him. Together, Thomas and the jet engine speed down the tracks, passing Gordon on the way. Then it says, collect character cards for all your favorite Thomas Winery System friends. So that's really it for this discussion. So thanks for watching, and of course, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And thanks for watching once again.